Khas IT presents Chai Chai with Aisha Season 2. Khas IT is your one-stop shop for all IT solutions. Hi everyone, I'm Aisha Sheikh, the host for today. And today I have these three amazing, fantastic entrepreneurs sitting next to me. From Iranian dishes to speedy deliveries to life-changing skills. And these three amazing guests are going to add a lot of value to today's podcast. So stay tuned and welcoming Miss Mehreen.
Thank you.
Miss Madhuri and Mr. Ajay.
Thank you.
Ta-da!
Aisha.
Drum rolls. We don't have drums.
That's fine.
Okay. Guys, सबसे पहली जो चीज़ है, I am so glad that you guys are here today, and you know it feels like a dream come true each time I am sitting on this couch and I witness in entrepreneurs like you, because being an entrepreneur, I never dreamt of one though. So sitting with them, it's like I've never expected myself to be there, and amazing people like y'all. ये तो मेरा बोलते हैं ना, कुछ ज़्यादा ही मैंने ख्वाहिश करी थी कि आप लोग आ गए मेरे सेट पे, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. And another thing कि आप लोग सारे हमारे जो winners हैं, थैंक यू टू मिस मेहरीन. इनके बाद जो हमने एंटरप्रेन्योर्स मीट किया था एंड उस वक्त आप लोग का नाम आ गया उस ड्रॉ में. सो आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट यू गाइज आर हियर. सो थैंक यू फॉर होस्टिंग अस एज वेल मिस मेहरीन.
Thank you for making us a part of it. Yes.
Yeah, thank you for having us here. Thank you.
ओके, सो सबसे पहली बात, ये सबको मैं क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ. फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, लाइक व्हाट रियली मोटिवेटेड यू टू चूज दिस फील्ड? सो विल गो लाइक दिस एंड विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम यू.
The motivation plus the necessity both were important at that time, because that COVID time only two things were working. We had only the what do you say, the pharmacies and the food. So as me and my husband, both of us were very fond of food and we love cooking. So this was the only option we had. So we took it, and alhamdulillah, it's been 5 years now.
माशाल्लाह.
And the best part, I feel, not about the profits, but we are surviving. It's a very tough industry, food industry, but I think we did it.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Great.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Great.
Yes,
Yeah.
we did it.
Okay.
All the best.
Madhuri, how about you?
Being a fellow entrepreneur, I know how much courier delivery is important for everyone, especially for small home businesses where ladies are there who are trying to make a niche in this market. So keeping them in mind and their difficulties, we started quick feed delivery services.
Amazing. And just to let our audience know, that's not the only business you own.
Yes.
Yes, I do have other businesses. That is Pragnik.com, which is jewelry and apparel website, and also this is Pets, which is a pet food and
Mango.
accessories and especially mangoes. Yes, mango
And maintenance.
and
ये खुद भूल गई है भाई, इसके इतने businesses कि खुद भूल गए.
everything is comes from necessity, right?
Yes, but hats off to you for managing so
Yes,
many
so many
verticals,
things.
mashallah.
Thank you so much. Thank
Yeah.
you.
All right.
So, Mr. Ajay, how about you?
Yeah, so, be it restaurant or be it a courier service, be it IT technology services or social media nowadays, children of the future require life skills.
Yeah.
Correct? And that's where the Kaizen was born into.
Okay.
Yeah. So the Kaizen comes from a Japanese philosophy, which means continuous improvement. We tweaked it a bit here to suit the Gulf, region, and we made it Kaizen.
Okay.
So Zen in Arabic is a very pure and very nice word, which means goodness and graceful and beautiful. And Kai in Japanese means change. So it's all about changing for good, okay, and changing gracefully. But when it comes to our own reflection, we don't pay so much of attention.
Right.
So the Kaizen is all about self-transformation journey. So you learn, transform, and then you inspire others.
Amazing.
Yeah? That's what Kaizen is all about. So we are about fostering learning.
Okay. So, we are here with Mehreen again. Now, I want you all to just let us know your services that you provide, so our audience get to know what exactly your company does.
We provide authentic Iranian food. We have the whole cuisine, and we take orders for veg dishes. If in cases there's an event and we have to provide something extra, then alhamdulillah, all my chefs know how to cook everything. So according to their needs, we provide them what they want.
Okay.
Yes.
So, but mainly it is non-veg?
Yes, it's non-veg.
And
Pura
mostly
gosht ka
Indian.
मामला है.
कुछ का मामला है.
Meaty affair. It's a meaty affair.
I love that. Okay. Madhuri, how about you?
Quick parcel delivery is for courier deliveries. We have for documents and for small parcels. So up to 5 kg is a next day delivery also. We do take same day delivery, but it depends on your requirement for the day. And the prices are different for that. We are also taking cake deliveries also, that is same day delivery. So those prices again are different. Plus we have cash on delivery. The service is very good for small home businesses where they require they don't have the payment solutions. So they also their customers would like to pay cash only after they get the item. They are like not sure they will get item or no. So their customers want cash on delivery services. So that time we pick up cash from them and then we bank transfer to the clients.
Wow, that's amazing. All right. So how about you, Mr. Ajay?
Yeah, so at Kaizen, we operate largely under 5 verticals. We have children's skill development, under which we provide programs like we have a regular chess program. We had a space science program for kids. We had, we had STEM and robotics program, okay, that we do on a regular basis. And other than this, we have a language training as a vertical. We currently have German language courses going on. We will soon have a French language as well and an Arabic language training. Other than this, we provide education support services, which is like preparing children for their university life.
Okay.
Okay, so that's yet to be launched, but we will soon have a program which is called as UniReady program under this.
You are going to have that
Yes,
Uni Ready program.
yes,
Amazing.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we have lifestyle coaching. So people who would like to have one-to-one sessions or some programs like NLP, which helps them to know about their own self and they can begin their self-transformation journey.
Yeah.
Okay, and remove any blocks if they have in their mind regarding growth, regarding, relationships, regarding anything which is prohibiting them to live their life to the full potential.
Okay.
Okay, and then we have social event management. So we organize some events, like we have a regular photography program, field trip that we do in association with Nikon. We had a space science stargazing program at Maliha, Sharjah. And we had a Women's Day, event as well. And we will have a chess competition soon. We had once. And we recently concluded 2 days back a Kaizen Creativity Day.
Okay, that's amazing. That's a lot of things. He's also having multiple verticals.
Yes.
Okay. We come back to this one thing. Like, what is the best part about being an entrepreneur for y'all?
The best part is that you keep learning new things. You increase your patience level, and then you get to meet new people, and then you have to, interact with them according to them. So I feel we are continuously in the field of learning. Every time we keep learning something new, and we have, take up new things, new challenges. So it's an ongoing process actually. So I think it's a good thing. I feel to be an entrepreneur, in the morning, the first thing which comes to your head is, what are we going to face today? So it's like every day we have different things to face at our restaurant. We try to handle it. Sometimes we are not able to handle it, then we try to learn from it. So it's going on like that.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah, yes.
Very much there. I know. Yes, Madhuri. What's the best part about being an entrepreneur?
Yeah, the best part is for me being a HR person to communicate with different individuals on daily basis, check with the requirements, ensure that requirements are met, and being a courier, everything is fast paced.
Yeah.
They need it there now, this moment.
Yeah.
Everything is this moment for the customers. So it's every day is a very challenging day, and every day brings new requirements and new problems in life.
Right.
And it's really nice.
It's nice.
It's
You
really nice.
like adventure then.
Yeah.
Yes. How about you, Mr. Ajay?
Yeah. So I think, on an entrepreneur journey, you have no room for anything which is negative in your life. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to have a, positive attitude, a problem solving attitude, a constructive mindset. Yeah. That is something which shapes you further. So, and this is what we like to impart further into the children or to the adults that we interact with. Yeah. So developing a mindset which is solution oriented is something which an entrepreneur cannot take their mind off. Yeah. So they have to have that attitude, they have to have that mindset in them.
Very true. And I think very few entrepreneurs will have this kind of mindset as well, because there are a lot of hurdles that you face. But at
Correct.
the end of the day, it is like very few of them have that mindset. Chalta hai, we are going to find a solution to
Yes,
that.
yes.
And that's why many of them drop out as well.
Yeah. Yes.
And that's why you're so successful. You're sitting on this couch today. Because
Thank
आपको
you.
पता ये होता है और हमें करना ही है इसको, solution
Correct.
find out करना ही है.
Correct,
Sure,
correct.
thank
Yes,
Cool.
yes.
Okay, so ऐसा कोई चीज हुआ है कि सबसे weirdest और funniest request या thing that happened with your client or customer? So we can start from you.
Yeah, I mean, we had an inquiry from one mother, and when we had rolled out our space science program, this came from a very young child. I think he was just 5 years of age.
Okay.
And we were really surprised to receive that inquiry. That curiosity, that seed of knowledge is still there. And she wanted to enroll her child into a program. But unfortunately, we had an online program only at that point of time.
Right.
So she couldn't take it. Another incident that I remember is we had a chess competition recently. And there was a 6-year-old child. He was very passionate about chess.
Okay.
And he reached to the finals of the competition. In between, in the league matches, he lost one match and he cried.
Oh my God.
And again, when in finals he reached, he again cried. It's a very emotional moment. Yeah. Her mother was there to console. We all together, we came forward and consoled that child. And but very nice, to have that child express his emotions.
Right.
Okay, and also be so passionate that he's
Passionate.
lost and he's expressing his emotions.
Right.
So it was one of the best moment at Kaizen that I have experienced
तो आपको
recently.
पता चलता है कि पैशनेट वाले मेरे पास पढ़ रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
Passionate.
And we love those children, Yeah. It's really
Right.
amazing to interact with them.
True. And you? कुछ ऐसा हुआ है अभी?
अभी रिसेंटली हुआ है कि वन ऑफ आवर क्लाइंट्स गेव अस अ लिस्ट ऑफ डिलीवरीज टू डू. जब हमने लिस्ट देखी तो थोड़ा हड़बड़ा गए.
क्यों 50-60 थे क्या उसमें?
50-60 तो थे, दैट वाज नॉट इशू.
हाँ.
वो कहाँ थे वाज द इशू.
Okay.
एवरी कुरियर वाज सेंट ऑन टाइम. और ऐसे ऐसे जगह हमने उस कुरियर के लिए देखे.
अच्छा.
You cannot imagine.
Wow.
But we did it and she was very happy with our services. That
Wow.
is another
That's
case.
amazing.
Yeah.
That's
So it was not weird, but it was an exciting wala
Very
experience.
exciting wala because it was a very challenging thing and we ensured we did it.
Amazing.
Amazing, Ms. Madhuri.
Okay, how about you,
Yes.
Merin?
वियर तो नहीं बोलूँगी मैं, लेकिन हाँ अजीब सी चीज़ें हो जाती हैं हम लोग के साथ. फॉर मी बिकॉज आई टेक केयर ऑफ द फाइनेंसेस, इट हैपन्स दैट समटाइम्स आई लेट गो ऑफ थिंग्स वेरी इजली. अब जैसे कि रिसेंटली रमदान में एक हुआ कि someone called me and they said we want to order food but right now we cannot pay you.
Okay.
I said okay, no problem. तकरीबन 500,000 का कुछ था, 500 का था, फिर 500 का था. And I said okay fine. वो it took around 7 days for the payment to come.
Okay.
Oh,
Every day and night I kept my employees, I told them keep calling them.
right.
गायब हो गए.
Oh.
अभी मिला
So,
नहीं?
जी अजीब सी चीजें होती हैं मेरे साथ. मिला, 1 हफ्ते के बाद मिला.
मिला.
अच्छा,
मैं
अच्छा,
बोली
मिला.
अगर आप कहीं बाहर से ऑर्डर करते तो कोई इतना पेशेंस रखता आपके
कोई
साथ.
नहीं, कोई नहीं.
तो माय पेशेंस लेवल इज वेरी हाई.
Amazing, amazing.
लोगों ने बढ़ा दिया है. लोगों ने मेरा लेवल बढ़ा दिया.
Entrepreneur has contributed.
तो
Creative
जो आप बोले ना,
opportunities
there's no negativity, there's
Right.
no negativity.
There is no, yeah,
Only
there's no room
patience.
for it. Yes,
जी.
yes, yeah.
बिल्कुल.
Okay.
Yes.
So now there are a couple of business myths we are going to burst right now. And the very first one is आप लोग बता दो मेरे को, हम लोग बाद में आते हैं मेरे वाले सेगमेंट पे. आप लोग ऐसे बता दो आप लोगों की इंडस्ट्री में व्हाट इज दैट वन मिथ दैट पीपल थिंक अरे यार ऐसा है लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. From you?
People think that food industry is very good. Every day you have money in it and आप जो है बस ऑर्डर्स आते रहते हैं. लोग भूखे हैं तो सिर्फ आप ही के पास से ऑर्डर करेंगे. बट दैट्स वेरी रॉन्ग. दैट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स अबाउट योर टेस्ट. आपका जैसा टेस्ट है आप वो खाना ऑर्डर करेंगे. तो कभी ऐसा होता है कि इन अ डे आई डोंट हैव 1 or 2 ऑर्डर ऑल्सो आई डोंट हैव इन अ डे. और समटाइम्स ऐसा होता है कि 2-3 हज़ार का ऑर्डर एक दिन में आ रहा था
Wow.
माशाल्लाह से. तो इट्स लाइक इट्स एवरी डे इज डिफरेंट. मगर लोगों का ये परसेप्शन होता है कि नहीं भाई रोज इनके पास जो है फुल लगे रहते हैं. जबरदस्ती खाना नहीं खिलाते हम लोग. अगर कोई आया तो खिलाते. तो ये एक है मिथ. पीपल थिंक दैट एवरी डे वी गेट ऑर्डर्स.
It's not that thing. Okay. How about you?
So people think courier is like एक टेक इट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस डिलीवर टू अनदर प्लेस, वेरी सिंपल थिंग. उसके बीच में हमको कितने पापड़ बेलने पड़ते हैं हमें पता है. इट्स नॉट ईजी टू गो एंड शेड्यूल द एंटायर रूट फॉर वन कस्टमर, where all the problems which comes in between, and then get it delivered on time safely without breakage to the other customer is a challenge. But लोगों को लगता है it's very easy.
It's very easy करके. So that's a myth. Okay. How about you?
Yes. For us, I think, the parents tend to think that if you have sent your child to a school or a college, okay, and that's it. Yeah, you have done your job well, and that would be enough for the child. We don't believe it in the same way. I think the children need today a holistic learning environment. Okay, they need to be encouraged and supported for their passions, their hobbies, their interests. Right. Sometimes they find that space and environment in a school or a college or an academic institution,
right,
and sometimes they don't. Right? So, and that's why, the institutes like Kaizen have to be available to all these children to support their hobbies, their interests, their passions. So I think that myth that, sending a child to a school or college would complete their education is actually a myth.
Right. I would agree with that.
This to mine.
Yes.
Like to deliver one package from point A to point B, I need 5 staff to complete one delivery.
Wow.
Can you imagine?
Really?
Yes.
अच्छा.
सबको communicate करना पड़ता है to get one delivery done.
वो 15 dirham का डिलीवरी.
15 dirham का डिलीवरी.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Okay, that's a little too much.
Yes, yeah.
हाँ.
आपके पास भी बहुत है पेशेंस.
मेरे उनको बीच में रियलाइज हो रहा है यार, पेशेंस मेरे से ज्यादा
बहुत
है.
तकलीफ उठाई है.
She's gone through lots
You
of
don't know how
things.
much. You don't know how much patience the teachers and facilitators need to have.
They
When
do.
you're
My
dealing with
mom is a
multiple
teacher,
children.
yes,
Okay.
Teacher.
Yes, another ex-teacher. Correct.
हम लोग
Yes.
तो पैम्पर करके चुम्मा चाटी करके उनको पैसिफाई कर लेते हैं बच्चों को.
मीटिंग्स में भी
मेरी अम्मा तो 1-2 लगा देती, जैसे बेल मारते ट्यूशन, ये लो बेटी चॉकलेट.
आयशा तो इवेंट के टाइम भी टीचर के मोड में आ जाते हैं, सब सुनने चालू कर लेते हैं, तभी तक कोई नहीं सुनता.
So is there anything else that people think it is very very easy, बाहर से देखने पे यार ये बहुत easy लग रहा है, but ये ऐसा नहीं है. Anything else other than the first pointer that you have mentioned? कुछ याद आ रहा है या फिर आपको लगता है सबसे ज़्यादा यही difficult था आयशा?
Oh, I think there are lots of things. As an entrepreneur, you need to manage finances, you need to manage people, you need to manage resources. Okay, so you are actually in a pressure cooker environment all the time.
I agree with him on that.
Yeah.
True.
So and constantly you need to find solutions as well.
Yeah.
Okay, there is nothing that if somebody comes with a problem, okay, you can say sorry. Yeah,
Yes.
because you are into it and you have to find a way out. So I think multifaceted knowledge, multifaceted personalities are needed to run a business or an ecosystem like that.
Yeah, very true. आप लोगों के दिमाग में कुछ आ रहा है besides ये first pointer आपने बताया? Okay, we'll come back to Merin in the meanwhile. हाँ.
It's every day. As I said, it's a hustle. Sometimes, for example, when last year rain had poured in,
Created havoc.
we had a very tough time. The whole
Yes.
ceiling came down,
Oh.
and I was also working inside cleaning with them. So
Oh.
sometimes you just have to forget everything
Correct.
and be there.
Yes.
Because it's your thing.
Correct.
You just can't say कि नहीं भाई, we are the owners, we will just sit और आप करो. So
Correct.
even I just recently burned my hand because there was a lot of orders that day, and I was
Oh.
also doing the
Okay.
orders myself. So I'm always involved in everything. So I feel ये जो है, but it helps the staff also. It motivates them कि अरे भाई ये खुद आके जो है,
Correct.
she's standing beside us and she's working. So that I feel आपको भूल जाना पड़ता है कि you're the owner. You have to work like a normal person because you want it to grow.
Yeah.
Correct.
So you
Yeah,
cannot
yeah.
just say कि बस अब इतना हो गया, बस अब बैठ के देखेंगे.
Yes,
नहीं,
yes.
ऐसा
No,
नहीं
one
होता.
has to
Yes.
lead by example.
Yes, you
Yes.
have to.
Yeah. One has
You
to
have
lead
to
by
be
example.
involved every day in
Yes.
everything.
Correct.
So that's
Absolutely
amazing.
right.
Yes.
Yes, Marian.
Okay, how about you, माधुरी? नहीं लग रहा ऐसा कुछ, मतलब लाइक कोई और ऐसा चीज़ जो बहुत इजी लगता है क्विक डिलीवरी के बारे में, बट उतना डिफिकल्ट है, मतलब उतना इजी नहीं है ये
Yeah,
चीज़.
for me, for the roots, द रूट्स आपको लग रहा है कि बरदुबई से एक पिकअप करो शारजा में दो, बट इतना इजी कुछ नहीं रहता है बिकॉज विद द करंट ट्रैफिक सिचुएशन इन दुबई जो डेली चेंज हो रहा है, प्लस पार्किंग सिचुएशन इन दुबई जो डेली चेंज हो रहा है, प्लस टू कीप योर ड्राइवर्स हैप्पी बिकॉज दे आर ऑन द रोड 24/7. तो बहुत चैलेंजिंग रहा. फाइनली आई हैव एंडेड अप टेकिंग स्टाफ अकोमोडेशन.
Oh, okay.
She's on an expansion drive.
I have to because
That's great.
it becomes very difficult for them also, and they were also having problems कि मैडम हमारा इधर इतना नहीं हो रहा था. So finally we have to take staff accommodation. Visas आ गए which we had not in. अब 2 गाड़ियाँ आ गई which is
कैलकुलेट नहीं किया होगा वो पहले.
बहुत सारा कैलकुलेट नहीं किया. अभी वो सब एडेड डेली कुछ ना कुछ ऐड हो ही जाता है.
हाँ.
And it becomes challenging day by day, but it's nice.
But it's foundation you're building. It's
I
one
mean,
time.
we are growing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So this is we are setting the base so that we can stand properly.
Absolutely. That's a good mindset. Okay. So now we go forward with this rapid fire round. The very first one. One word to describe your business in 2025.
Achieving.
Achieving. Inshallah. One word to describe Kaizen in 2025.
Continuous improvement.
Okay. 2. चलो accept कर लिया.
Transformation.
Speed.
Transformation.
Transformation and speed.
Speed. for
Speed में और
delivery.
speed.
Yes.
और double speed करेंगे
Double
आप लोग.
speed करना ही पड़ेगा मुझे.
Okay. Next one. One dream celebrity customer of yours you wish they had taken your service.
Salman Khan.
सलमान खान. लगा मेरे को ये बोलेंगे करके. How about you?
Either Shahrukh Khan or Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh my goodness. शाहरुख एंड अमिताभ फैंस हियर.
बॉलीवुड देखती नहीं.
बॉलीवुड ने बट कोई है ऐसा बॉलीवुड से नहीं अदरवाइज भी सेलिब्रिटी जो आपको ऐसा लगता है यार ये मेरे सर्विस लेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा करके.
आप.
हाय अल्लाह. मैं ले लूंगी अभी. मेरी डिलीवरी के नहीं होते मैं खुद जाके डिलीवर हो जाऊंगी वहाँ पे. Okay, that was cute. Next one. One thing you wish you knew before starting your business.
What are the things I have to face every day? I used to think that it's just not every day. कभी कभी हो जाता है लेकिन every day.
Every day is a
Every
challenge.
day it's a challenge for me.
For me, traffic. I didn't even realize
Traffic would be a thing.
It will be such a big hurdle
Oh my
in
goodness.
deliveries and parking spaces.
Parking spaces as
Yeah,
well.
especially business में JBR जिधर पे कुछ है ही नहीं. वो हमारे ड्राइवर्स घूमते रहते गोल गोल trying to find
हाँ
one
ना.
space.
Goodness.
It's very difficult there.
I can get what you're saying. How about you, Mr. Ajay?
Resources, I think.
Resources.
Okay, yeah. As a business, I think you need resources at different levels. Be it people, be it equipments, be it places, be it social media. So a lot of resources are needed to promote your business.
Yeah.
Okay, to execute your business and also to get your business.
Yeah, that's right. About social media, last podcast she had done, उसके बाद से I'm seeing her utilize it very well. But I think you too need to work on your social media a bit, push it a little bit more.
Sure.
ना जिस तरह से अभी है ट्रेंड चल रहा है उसके हिसाब से आप लोग धीरे ले रहे हो. हाँ, वर्ड ऑफ माउथ के थ्रू चल रहा है बट सोशल मीडिया मेक्स यू स्टैंड आउट नो वे. ऐसा मेरा है. आई एम हियर बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया टुडे सिटिंग विद यू. और ना ऑर्डिनरी टीचर को यहाँ तक वो होता ही नहीं है और ना सर्कल भी अपनी.
तो आपका पैशन भी तो है. एक पैशन तो चाहिए काम
There is a
करने के लिए.
spark in you.
Yeah.
That's
Correct.
why.
No doubt
है
about
आपके
it.
पास.
No doubt about it. Yeah. I get reminded of that 6-year-old child now.
Yes.
Once a teacher, always a teacher.
So, yes.
इसलिए I was never accepted in corporate. Do you all know that?
Ah,
That is a
really?
myth. Yeah, because I have got that very friendly nature. Usually corporate, you
Yes.
need to have that
Yes.
very strict and very firm kind of thing.
Correct.
And you don't smile unless like,
Yeah.
I can't do that. So I tried in the beginning. It didn't work out. And I was like, जाओ भाड़ में मैं सच रहने वाली. So for a good period of time, people assumed that I would not do business or I'm not doing anything. But only to realize they got a shock of the life later. So that we were doing things and you were not believing in us करके. So वो चीज़.
Surprises are always good.
Yes,
Yeah,
Habibi.
you proved everybody wrong.
I did.
Yes.
I did. इसके बाद हम चाय पार्टी करेंगे.
Surprises.
Sure.
Okay, if not into this business, what exactly would you be doing? We can start from you.
Okay. So I've been an advertising media professional. That's my another domain that
Wow.
I work in. Okay, I currently also serve a company. Okay, and so Kaizen is a kind of a side hustle for me. So I've worked for Gulf News in the past. I've been with ITP. I've been with Khaleej Times. So media and advertising really excites me. And yes, so advertising would always be a part of my DNA.
Wow. Okay, Madhuri.
Traveling.
Traveling.
Yeah, I would love to be those guys who travel and give their feedbacks on TV and all. They get to enjoy their hobby
Life as well.
and like to enjoy their work also at the same time. So definitely the travel person.
ट्रैवल पर्सन सोलो ट्रैवल पे निकल जाओगे
निकल जाओ।
तो कौन करेगा ये सभी ये नहीं चाहिए अपने को एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप
Seriously.
अपने आप को courier कर दो। अपने आप को courier कर दो।
places to
Places to places, yeah.
yes and how about
I
you
would be working for Al Futtaim right now
Is
because I
it?
had got a job offer 8 years ago,
Oh.
and it was a good one. But seeing my husband already working in the automobile industry, giving 10 to 12 hours, I thought it won't be easy. I have to look after the house, my kids. So I thought I have to do something in which I can take care of everything.
okay
Okay.
So I had rejected the offer. Otherwise, I would have been working with them right now.
all righty
okay.
right okay so
That would also be
that
nice.
before we wind up there's one more question and this one here where can people find you guys so just quick info about where exactly you are situated so our viewers can get to know about it.
So the best way to connect with Kaizen is to check our Instagram page, which is kaizen.uae. Okay, we also have a website called kaizen.ae. Okay, and we are available on TikTok. We are there on Facebook, and we're there on LinkedIn as well.
Okay.
So these channels, social media channels, are active. Otherwise, we hold our regular courses and workshops in Dubai Silicon Oasis and Mirdif Shuruk community currently.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Yes.
QuickP has their own website, www.quickp.com.
There's no C.
No C in that.
Ah,
It's
okay.
quickp.com. We need it quicker, right?
Okay.
So we'll let go of some alphabets there.
Good one.
Then we have a Facebook page and a Instagram page, and all our customer care numbers are already informed on the quickp.com website. Also, alternatively, I am always there, so you can contact me at 056 1055240 for any queries you have.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Okay. How about you, man?
We are located at Uptown Mirdif Mall, and we are on Insta and Facebook. So Insta, I'm trying to keep it very active nowadays. I'm working on it. So I feel yesterday I went to Al Maktoum 1B World launch, and there someone recognized me,
Oh wow.
which I felt was an achievement for
It's
me.
a recognition.
Yeah,
I
Yes.
was really
Correct.
happy yesterday. I
Yes.
forgot what I came for.
Wow. That's amazing.
Then the
man.
person who
That's
called me, she
amazing.
was reminding me, Mehereen.
Oh.
Yes, but Alhamdulillah, that's
Alhamdulillah.
an achievement.
It
Yes.
feels so good
Yes,
when people
yes.
recognize you
When people
outside.
recognize.
Correct.
Indeed.
Yes.
All right. Before we wind up, this one thing, one golden piece of advice to all the aspiring entrepreneurs. We can start from you.
I think you should buckle up your, waist. You should be ready for all the challenges possible coming ahead. Have a mindset of, finding solutions always. Have the grit and determination to succeed and keep working hard.
Amazing.
Patience and problems, you need to have these two hand in hand. It will come. So be patient and expect problems.
मस्त था आज का पॉडकास्ट तो.
I would say that you should be strong enough to know your problem, smart enough to deal with it, and brave enough to ask for help.
Wow.
I love
Amazing.
that.
Lovely.
Yeah. I think a lot of people who shy of asking help.
We always
Yes.
Yes,
hesitate to do that. But I
correct.
think these three things are very
Repeat it
Yeah,
again
yeah.
for us.
important. Okay, you should be strong enough to know your problem, smart enough to deal with it, and
Brave enough.
enough
To
to
ask
ask
for
for help.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Oh,
amazing.
goodness.
Very good.
Guys, thank you so much for being here today. It was a privilege talking to you all and so much fun. I never expected this to be going on a fun note. And ये इतने मजाकिया होंगे ये मेरे को नहीं पता था. That was a plus point. वो मतलब like टक्कर के और तुम suddenly इतनी शांत आज क्यों थी वो मुझे नहीं पता. मतलब serious
मैं
बंदी
आपके
जैसे.
मजाक में खो गई. मुझे समझ नहीं आया मैं क्या.
So that was a surprise, but yes,
Good.
I'm so happy you guys opened up and spoke about your businesses, about yourself. And you know, it means a lot that you again shared the space with me. Thank you so much once
Thank
again.
you.
Thank you, Ms.
so
Aisha,
much.
from my AES for inviting us and for conducting this podcast so nicely.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank
So
you.
we'll.
Yes, motivates everyone.
Oh,
Yeah.
मेरी जान.
AES itself is a big world in itself.
Correct.
सब कुछ है.
Yes, yes.
मैं mall खड़ा करने
I
वाली
think
हूँ.
you are, yeah. You are doing amazing.
Yeah.
And it actually, you inspire others also to
Yes.
follow in a way.
When I
Yes,
see her
yes.
bites that I'm not feeling okay, but still I'm at work, then I say कि भाई चलो कोई बहाना
हमें भी कुछ करना
We
पड़ेगा.
have to move today.
ठीक है.
मेरे को WhatsApp कर लिया करो. मैं
Yes.
तुमको ज्ञान देती रहूंगी तुम मुझे देते रहना.
ज्ञान का देखा हमारा भी है.
वही चलता है मेरा आधा टाइम यही होता है. क्वेरीज नहीं आते मेरे को ये आते हैं ज्यादा. तो आई एम डीलिंग विद दैट और वो भी बैकलॉग में. बट यस
It
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
helps a lot. People who take it in a positive way, it helps them.
Correct.
Negative way में तो लोग हर जगह
Of course.
हर जगह ले
Of
जाते
course,
हैं.
of
But I
course.
feel positive अगर आप किसी की बात लो तो it makes a difference in your life.
हाँ.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह दैट इज
तो
ट्रू.
देखिए चांद में भी दाग ढूंढने वाले मिल जाते हैं.
हाय.
ठीक है ना.
Didn't know हाँ टैलेंट भरा है उसमें. मैं जाके रूबी और रणबीर को बोलने वाली हूँ मिस्टर अजय का ये साइड था करके. We've seen the other side on WhatsApp.
Yes.
All righty, right. So we'll wrap it up here. So thank you so much everybody for watching. This is Aisha Sheikh from the podcast Aisha with Aisha Season 2. Special thanks to our sponsors, our title sponsor Khas IT and our studio partner Square 89. That's Aisha Sheikh signing off.